Have you ever visited a doctor and needed to speak English?
Or maybe you want to explain how you feel in English.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about visiting a doctor and talking about your health.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about visiting the doctor.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use when talking about health.
Let's begin. Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you?
I'd like to see a doctor.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache.
I see.
I've had it since yesterday.
Please take a seat.
Thank you.
The doctor will see you soon.
Okay.
Hello, Emily.
Hello, doctor.
How are you feeling today?
Not very well.
What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
A little.
Have you been resting?
Not much.
You should get plenty of rest.
Okay.
Drink lots of water, too.
Thank you, doctor. Have you ever had a funny experience at a clinic?
Yes.
What happened?
I forgot why I went there.
Seriously?
Yes.
What did you do?
I sat there for 5 minutes trying to remember. Then I remembered.
That's funny.
What about you?
I once called the doctor teacher.
No way.
Yes.
What did the doctor say?
He laughed.
That's good.
I was very embarrassed.
At least it's a funny memory now.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.